Hello folks, this is the question of 2017 May-June paper 1-2 and the question number is 10. It says that a metal cylinder is suspended vertically in equilibrium by a cord equilibrium. The diagram shows the cylinder in 4 different positions P, Q, R and S. So we have to identify which statement explains the variation of the tension T in the cord. So let's remember that since the system is in equilibrium, so what we must have here the value of T is equal to m into G, where m is the mass of the cylinder because it is in equilibrium, and here it is this tension will be less because we have some sort of upward force from this water. So the value of tension now will be, so T will be equal to, it is mg minus m of liquid displaced into G, and this liquid displaced is a bit partial because the whole portion is not immersed. And here also it's the same thing, so T is equal to mg minus m liquid displaced into G, and here also it's the same case. It is T is equal to mg minus m of liquid displaced into G. So if I go through this and this, what I can find is, since the whole portion is immersed and since we can neglect the volume of the string here, the volume of liquid displaced is same by these two, which means that the mass of liquid displaced will also be same. Here is partial, but here is full. So this shows that the upward force, which is ml into G, is also same in the both cases, and this makes the tension same. So our rough idea is the tension here is same. This tension is this tension is slightly more because here ml is slightly less. So since it is less, T will be more, and here we have no ml, so that's why T will be even more. So highest T, middle T, and they have the lowest T and equal T. So let's go through the choices here. At P and Q, the tension T in the cord is the same because the difference in pressure between the top and bottom of the cylinder is the same. So the reason described here is the same as the reason I stated. It's about upthrust, and upthrust is caused by the pressure difference at the top and bottom of the substance. So this seems to be the correct choice. So at Q, the tension T in the cord is less than at P, because at smaller depth liquid pressure is smaller. So it says that the tension T here is less. Tension T is not less here because because the tensions are, as I have stated, the tensions here are same because of the same ml here. So this statement is wrong. And at R, which is at R here, the tension T in the cord is less. This statement is very wrong because tension T is bigger here than here. And at yes, the tension T in the cord is greater. Yes, it is greater. But what it says is because atmospheric pressure at S exerts no force on the top or bottom of the cylinder. So that's not true because the atmospheric pressure exerts force or pressure all over. So this reason is not true. So not true, and the choice number A is the only correct answer.